Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Diamond Cat 82. Today I am here with my friend Andrea.
Hi.
Today we will be reacting to The Hated Child Who Became a Princess Queen. Part 1, sorry guys, but
And I'll be the one reading
she will be the reader and I will and cuz I can't really read that fast. So let's get on with the video.
Aw, Macy is so cute. Am I right? They are both cute, but don't compare Macy. Oh wait, look, they're waking up. I didn't have enough time.
It's okay.
Oh, good job as well, Macy. Macy said her first word. Oh, understand too. Great job, Macy. You did it. Yes, Wissy, I help you up. Ha, she fell. We'll try again.
This is so cute.
You wait it. Where's waiter? Macy's eye. Why aren't you cleaning, Brad? Get back to work. Yes, ma'am. I'm done, Mommy. If my friend is coming over, play or something.
Poor Izera.
Please don't hurt me, Macy. Wax with pillow. Tee. Sissy torn round.
What is she doing?
I don't know.
Look at her eyebrows. They changed.
Gives Mila. Idiot mistake. Changes.
Aw, poor Izera.
Yeah. I'll be back. I need to tell Mommy something. She's going to tell on Macy.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Mommy! No, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry about that. I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to show you that. I did. Guys, I'm so sorry. I did not know that was
Daddy! Whoa, what happened, sweetheart? Mommy is kissing another man. Mommy was with another man kissing.
Oh my gosh.
You little brat, you ratted me out.
Oh.
Me and Isaiah are leaving this time. Please, no. Shivers. Don't worry, I'll help. I'll have someone who can help us. I know some. Mommy, who are they? Tony. I miss you so much.
Okay. Sorry guys. Sorry about all of this. We have not seen this video before.
Is she my real mommy?
I'm so sorry.
I am, honey. Mommy, I thought the mean lady. Let me tell you all. Tony, they are so cute. But remember, I take one. Please, I love you. Don't leave me. I got her. But she's so ugly. Ugh.
Aww,
Let me dress you little. Leslie.
What?
It's Isaiah, but
yeah, it's Isaiah, but
it's meant to accidentally do that.
Yeah.
They did that, guys.
I actually have that game, guys, but I cannot record.
Finally! The castle is under attack. The castle is under attack. Get into your uniform. Get into
your forms.
Outform. So your forms.
That's amazing.
I love the queen's outfit.
I know.
And the king's.
The one that I love the most is the queen. Well, I love all of them.
Yeah. I couldn't read that.
Boy.
Cheetah boy. Cheetah boy. Take that for cheating on mom. Oh, yeah. Alright, you two get ready. We're going out to eat. I love her dress so much. Sis, I don't feel so good.
Oh no, Izera.
Sissy! No!
Izera!
Sarah, don't you say a word or else I'll shoot. Making her maid again. Macy! Yeah, Mommy? Look who we got back. prince's crown on her. I love it!
This girl is a
I'm a
brat.
princess now.
These people are brats.
Not that ugly creature. The
Um,
Lost
oh.
Princess. How about we watch that one?
Hey, okay, guys, I think we'll end the video here.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like down below and comment down below what we should play next. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.